Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the chat bubble color on Kik. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top right, you can see the profile picture right here. Click on it right now. Once you guys do that, this page will open up. From here, as you guys can see, there are a multitude of options. But right now, all you guys have to do is focus on this button called as Chat Settings. Click on it. And guys, this is it. This is our gold mine. Right here, if you simply scroll down, you can see something called as Chat Bubble Color. Click on it. Now from all these options, select whatever you wish. Once you select it, simply go back and check it. The chat bubble color will have been changed. Well guys, that is it. That's how we change chat bubble color in Kik. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.